Hello everyone, this is Manan Sharma, registration number UR15CA050. So now I'm going to do my 7th experiment of C++ lab. My topic is inheritance and the question is as follows. Okay, so now we'll move on to the program. Okay, here we have to, I'm creating a class called restaurant meal. Inside the private specifier, I'm giving a string called item name and two float variables. One is static, that is sum, and one is item price. Then inside the public specifier I'm using a constructor called restaurant meal, and inside the constructor I'm passing two arguments, one is of string and one is of float data type. Inside that I'm assigning the name and the price of the item, and after that I'm using a function called void display, and inside that I'm printing the name and the price of the items. Again we're using a function called get item price, a float variable in which we are adding the sum with the price and we are returning the sum, and after that we are using a constructor. Okay, so now again we are using one more class, that is a hotel service, and inside the private specifier we are giving one string variable called service name, one float variable called service fee, and one integer variable called service room number. Inside the public specifier we are using a constructor called hotel service, and with that we are passing two variables, one of string and one of float data type, for assigning the name and fees of the service. And again we are using a constructor with three arguments, each one of string, float and integer data type, to assign the name, fee and room number of the service. And for this we are using a display function for displaying the service name, the service fee and the service room number. And after that we are using a float function, float get service fee, and with that we are returning the service fee. And after that we are calling we are we are using a one more class called class room service meal, and inside the this class we are using class overloading, like we are calling the class restaurant meal and hotel service publicly inside the class room service meal. And inside the class room service meal the public specifier contains a constructor with three arguments, two of float data type and one of string data type. And after that we are using a display function to display all the total charge of the service. And we have a main function. Inside the main functions we are giving the message, enter the number of meals you are going to order. And after that we are using a for loop for entering the name of the food item you want to order, and for the price of the food item, and for the room number in the hotel. And then for everything we are displaying using the display function, and then we are returning the values. Okay, so now I'll run the program. It's asking me to enter the number of meals you're going to order. Okay, so I'll enter 3. Enter the name of the food item you want to order, pizza. Enter the price of the food item, 440, and enter your room number 18. Okay, so now as we can see we have our desired output, that is the service name is room service, the service fee is 4, the room number of the customer is 18, the name of the item is pizza, the price of the item is 440, and after the evaluation the total charge is 444 including the service fee. Okay, thank you for watching the video.